As a Miami Realtor and member of Florida Realtors, you now have access to Form Simplicity. Form Simplicity is easy to access from our homepage by clicking through the Miami Gateway, finding it on the gateway, and logging in. Form Simplicity is easy to use, works with the concept of creating a transaction and interacting and keeping documents and information all in one place. Form Simplicity is designed for busy real estate professionals like you to create transactions efficiently while mitigating risks. Form Simplicity's automation tools reduce typing and increase productivity. Use Form Simplicity to create your transactions with lightning speed, manage all of your Florida forms safely in one place, share real estate transactions in real time, store everything on the cloud, and more. Form Simplicity e-sign is available to you for an additional price or as part of the Miami Platinum Plus subscription. Visit one of our many tutorials and classes on Form Simplicity on how to use this wonderful product and service. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.